This is a used 2008 GMC Yukon XL, powered by all-wheel drive, a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, remote start, a DVD system, memory seats, a premium sound system. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.